This factory produces one tire every 6 seconds. But what's even more shocking is how these massive machines turn raw rubber into fibers harvested from rubber trees, while synthetic rubber is created using petroleum-based chemicals. These materials are combined with carbon black, sulfur, and other chemicals to create the perfect tire formula. This mixture is then processed in massive machines that blend everything into a thick, black compound. Without this step, tires wouldn't have strength, flexibility, or durability. Next, the rubber is rolled into long sheets. These sheets are cut into precise layers, each designed for a specific purpose. Inner liner holds air body plies, structure steel belts, strength outer tread. Gripe each layer must be perfect, because even a small defect can make a tire unsafe. Now comes one of the most fascinating stages, tire assembly. Using automated machines, all components are carefully assembled on a rotating drum. Layer by layer, the tire takes shape. Inner liner, fabric layers. Steel belts, thick rubber tread. At this stage, the tire is called a green tire, soft and not yet fully formed. This is where the magic happens. The green tire is placed into a mold and exposed to extreme heat and pressure. This process is called vulcanization. Heat pressure transforms the soft rubber into a strong, durable tire. The tread pattern is also formed during this stage, giving the tire its grip and performance. Before leaving the factory, every tire is tested. High-tech machines check for air leaks, structural defects, balance and durability. Some tires are even x-rayed to ensure perfect quality, because when it comes to safety, there is zero room for error. From raw rubber to a finished product used worldwide. This is how millions of tires are made every single day. If you enjoyed this inside look at the tire industry, don't forget to subscribe to Tire Industry Insider for more incredible factory videos.